Hey, I'm Clint, and I'm out here at Sumter, and some of you might be wondering what it looks like in the east right now with the weather. So let's go take a look. I just need to open up the garage door. Alright, well, let's go take a look outside. Don't let those Washington license plates fool you. You truly are in Sumter. It's really kind of cold out here. The ice is formed up on the vehicles, and then the snow on top of that ice. It is melting off of the roof. You can hear the water dripping off of there. Let's walk out here a little closer. Take a look at that palmetto tree getting bent down by the ice. Just the one in the middle is sticking up, the branch in the middle. So the ice is formed up on all the tree limbs, and we're going to go take a look and see if there's any branches that are broken. This snow down here is definitely is hard packed. I feel like I'm floating on it. So let's go and take a closer look at that tree. I think that it's I don't know if it's going to survive the weather. So we'll take a look over here at some of these trees and see if any of their branches are broken. They're definitely bent over. The ice is thick. It's a little windy up here as I look around. Let's go over and take a look at some of these other trees next to my house. See, look at that ice formed up really thick. Obviously the water isn't frozen over, and the lake's not frozen over. Let's go out to the road here. Looks like there's some utility trucks driving by out there on the road. Some white ones and some yellow ones. Getting the power back up. Power is on in my neighborhood, in the Beach Forest neighborhood north of town. What else is there to see? Looks like there's a broken branch down there on that tree, on the white one. Watch these. Yeah, looks like the roads are pretty clear. They don't seem to be driving on ice there. Just the median in the middle is definitely got some snow and ice on it. Let's look around here. Let's go down and take a look at the tree that has that broken branch. We'll get a closer look at that. The fountain is obviously not running. It's got the snow built up on it down there in the center of the road. Let's come over here, get a closer look at that ice on this tree. I'm sure there's a lot of trees that have gone down, as well as power lines from the weight of the ice. So yeah, it's got a broken branch, one of many around town, I'm sure. Look at that ice, really nice and thick. Definitely not your typical Sumter weather. Alright, so that's a look around the neighborhood, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.